Today we are moving ahead with a very important and crucial topic that is called as Salesforce.
So will you share the PPT with us on the chat?
Yes, Dale, I'll be sharing it with you all. Don't worry. Now,
Okay, thank you, sir.
what is Salesforce? What is Salesforce all about? That we are going to see. Now, Salesforce is nothing but it's a CRM that works over cloud. Now, what is CRM? CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management Tool that is specially designed to handle various kinds of requests from the customer side. Okay, so Salesforce is one of that utility that is being specially designed to provide customers and user and entrepreneurs to have a platform, a common platform where they can communicate and they can share their demands, and the company can provide them solutions out of it. Apart
Is
from
it a
that,
social forum or something?
no, not a social portal. It's very commercial and enterprise level utility.
Okay.
So it's one of the top-notch CRM application built on the Force.com. Now Force.com is a website. On the top of that, this Salesforce CRM is created. Now it can manage all the types of customers interaction of an organization, which can include different types of medias like phone calls, site, email inquiries, communication, as well as social media. Everything can be handled by one particular platform. And the best part is it is made on the top of cloud. So since it is made on the top of the cloud, one can access it with any device. It can be tablet, it can be mobile, it can be a desktop, laptop, anything. So you can handle the system by via any sort of in device. Salesforce handle all the customer relationship by focusing on the sales, marketing, and supporting process. This is done by working with the standard objects which are shown in below PPTs and facilitating the relationship between them. Now, Force.com is the platform for creating applications in the cloud. Absolutely no software or hardware investment required. Since it's cloud based, what you have to do is you just have to go to Force.com, create your account, and once you create an account, you will see a dashboard. Now, for IBM Bluemix, how much money we have spent for creating, deploying applications? Yes. How was your experience, IBM Bluemix? Created your first application, deployed over a good channel. So similarly, Force.com is same. Like what you have to do is you have to go to Force.com, register, and enjoy the services. You don't require any kind of server to store data, customer data, or handle it. But what you have to do is you have to pay just for the this using Force.com. That's it. Now, what are the objects that are there in Salesforce? So you can see account is the first object. So account object is used where partner or customers who are involved in the organization business interaction. So for them, we create an account. So we know account creation is a very common process. Now, just a quick question. What are the basic requirements to create an online account for any commercial product? Yes.
Email ID.
Very good. Apart from email ID, yes. Yes, what are the account creation requirements?
Sir, is it different from how we normally create our accounts?
How you create account? For example, what were the requirement when you created a Facebook account?
Sir, name, email, phone number,
Okay.
date of birth.
So there is an identity management system which identifies your authenticity. So it can be using your email or it can be using your mobile number. These are the two compulsory fields. Apart from that, a profile is created which includes your name, date of birth, age, other things are there. Okay, what is your profession, or what is your gender, all those things are there. So these things are like not compulsory, but you can create a profile. But for account creation, authentication is required. So for that, we use email ID and phone number, the best way. Second is contact. Contacts include individual that comes with an account. So within an account, so you can have various sets of contact. Next is product. So item that the organization sell to the customer. So you can list down all the products that you are actually willing to sell through CRM. Next is lead. So we know that if customer is showing his request or some customers we are contacting, so lead are those interest in the product by an individual or a company. So if people are looking for buying products, they can choose the lead option to check and track. Opportunity, any an event or activity with potential for revenue generation. So there might be some product who might like your product, but those who have not shown interest, so to take them follow up, opportunity can be used as a very good object. Next is case. Case is a description of an issue that a customer has reported. So for example, during the purchase time, if some customers are having some issues, one can use the case to track down the issue with respect to that. Solution is a resolution to a customer's problem. So it's with respect to case, a solution can be generated. After that is forecast. It's an estimation of the organization quarterly revenue that is being generated. Then is report, analysis of the standard or customer's object data. After that is dashboard, which represents of the report as a set of graphical data or chart. Activities, which an organization task as well as calendar event within the activity object. And lastly, campaign. All marketing products, for example, mass emailing, one of the way to broadcast the detail of your products. So Salesforce comes with lots of things. And what are the benefits of it? Serve Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Customer Cloud, Analytics Cloud, and Service Automation Cloud. Salesforce works by managing the standard object and maintaining the relationship between them and the standard inbuilt functionality. It is built on the following types of different cloud or sales cloud, we can say, which include Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Custom Cloud, Analytics, and Service Automation. Now we will go with the first type of cloud, that is Salesforce Sales Cloud. Sales Cloud mainly works based on the lead, account, contact, and opportunity objects. Leads can be further converted into accounts, and contacts and opportunity object, an important built-in functionality of the Sales Cloud. What is more, if any custom field are added to the lead object, it is also possible to set the mapping for them. Opportunities are well managed by giving them different stages and possibilities. So Salesforce Sales Cloud is one of the most crucial and important cloud that is being provided by Salesforce. This particular, what we can say, Salesforce plays a very vital role and very crucial and important role in from all the aspects. What we need to do is we need to think how we can utilize it for increasing the customer for us. It's one of the best and easy way to handle and to function with various types of customers. Now just give me a minute. I'll share a small 2-minute, 3-minute animated video to you so that you can understand its functionality in well-to-do order. Just give me a minute. Just let me know when you finish it. Just watch this and we will continue our discussion. Okay, so you might have seen it. Now we were discussing on its functionality, and we were talking about the Salesforce Sales Cloud. Now, Salesforce Sales Cloud mainly works based on the lead, account, contact, and opportunity objects. Lead can be further converted into accounts, and contacts, opportunity objects, an important built-in functionality of the Sales Cloud. What more, if a customer field are added to lead object, it is also possible to set the mapping for them. So opportunities are well managed by giving them different stages and possibility. That is what actually the Salesforce Sales Cloud about. Now Salesforce Service Cloud. In Salesforce Service Cloud, which is based objects are cases and solution, a service executive can create a case on a customer inquiry or a complaint, and the corresponding solutions can be stored in a solution object. There is some standard functionality like email to case, which will automatically create a new case in the CRM on every customer's email. Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Now, Salesforce Marketing Cloud is an important application for marketing purpose. It helps in creation and execution of the marketing campaign, email promotion, and more. Salesforce Custom Cloud field can be added to the standard object, and custom workflow can be created. For customer view as well as business logic, Visual 4 page and associated Apex classes can be used. Now Apex is a programming language that is specially designed for Salesforce. All of these customization facility makes it possible to fully above the need and CRM use we have. Now in the first class of today, this is the first class for today, and we have so many things to be done. We definitely have a practical session in the afternoon session on the Salesforce. Dale, what you are not understanding, I am not able to know like. Dale, where you are confused?
Sir,
Yes.
so Salesforce is the biggest software for use for BPMs, right?
Business process management.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can say that one of the leading tool for managing handling customer relationship. So we have so many other enterprise level tools like ERP tools we have. Then we have you might have seen SAP, software application process.
Yeah.
So enterprise level there are so many tools. One of the tools that can be helpful for managing the customer is Salesforce, and Salesforce comes with a high customization feature. If you just Google it, what are the jobs that are available for Salesforce, you will see hundreds of opportunity. So if you want to go in cloud with some management opportunities you are looking for, Salesforce is one of the best job prospects that can be delivered now. Like there are hundreds of opportunity, and there are global level certification also for Salesforce.
So Salesforce is itself a company too, right?
Yeah. Force.com is the company, and one of their product is Salesforce.
Okay.
Dell, your confusion is what is a service cloud. Now service cloud is the one which is used for delivering the services to the end user. Delivering the services to the end user is the service cloud. Like you can see.
Is it like a storage cloud can be considered as service cloud?
No. Service cloud is the one which take care of the cases and solution. So for example, customer is having problem in buying a product. Then where he will go? He will go to the service cloud. Service cloud take care of that. Let me explain you in a very simple way. Have you bought anything from Flipkart?
Yes.
Okay. Have you bought something from Flipkart and you didn't like it? And you
Yes,
asked
I've done
for
that.
asked for a
Yes.
refund.
Yeah, correct.
So that purchasing is the process, but while purchasing the thing, if you have an issue with the product, you ask for the service to refund it, to process it, whatever you want. So
Yeah.
in terms of that, Salesforce Service Cloud is taking care of those cases.
Okay, and that will be open only for some days, yeah, the Service Cloud, based on return policy.
No, it's not like that. We are not talking about small product. We are talking about big size consumer products,
Yeah, so then,
which might have 1 year warranty also.
okay, but then let's say you are talking about a small size product, then after that window is closed, the return window is closed, then will it be over? Will it
No,
this thing?
no. Then the custom that depends from company to company how they want to make it.
Okay, so
But
then the Service Cloud is like closed for that customer.
not exactly closed. He can still raise an issue that he want a refund for the product he was not satisfied, and if the company's policy permit, then he can definitely get it back. Let me say
So,
that. Yeah, Ritik.
so can we just say that Service Cloud is basically a cloud application that gives customer support?
Ah, easy, like very easy. Correct.
So it's like it comes with the other cloud.
Right.
Okay.
So customer can raise their query through email. Customer can raise their query through messaging also. There are various ways. Even customer can inquire and complain also for a corresponding product or a process. Now
And
let
so
me
what's the lead?
lead means, for example, customer initiated a conversation of buying a thing. Okay. So if the customer initiated, let me say that you want to buy an insurance policy. So you contacted the company and the company got a lead that you are willing to buy. Now it's company's team that will get back to you and they will sell you the product.
Okay, sir.
So it's not only about buying one policy. Let us say that, Ritik, you are owning a company in which there are 200 employees working and you want them completely insured by a group policy. So being a CEO, you will definitely contact your management team to contact a company which can give you the best deal, right? So
Yes,
this is
sir.
how the business to business things work, B2B something.
Okay, sir.
Now Marketing Cloud, Salesforce Marketing Cloud is specially designed in a way where an application for marketing purpose can be there. It helps in creating and execution of marketing campaign, which includes email promotion and other things. Salesforce Custom Cloud. Now after Marketing Cloud, we have Custom Cloud. So custom cloud fields can be added to the standard objects and custom workflow can be created. For custom view as well as business logic, Visual Force pages and associated Epic classes can be used. All these customization facility make it possible to fully function just about the need that a user is looking forward for. After that is analytics. Every customer relationship management tool application must be able to present reports with the data stored in it. So in Salesforce, report and dashboards are used for give you the analytic projecting the analytics. And lastly, the automation part. So talking about Salesforce feature, including tracking leads, managing email, assigning tasks, notification, approvals. The CRM will also handle automated requests with respect to sales, marketing, and service. Nowadays, we talk about bots. What are bots? Dale might be knowing about bots. What is a bot, Dale?
Is it like a bot is, I think it's used for getting into websites.
So
or
you can describe
or
it as
learning.
a basic software application or something like that, but which performs automated tasks for you.
Yeah, we can say that. Nowadays, AI-based via AI-based
AI
bot,
ASB bots, correct.
yeah, AI-based bots are there. So when you visit a website, and there will be a pop-up window which appears in the corner, mostly on the right-hand corner of it, saying that I am here to assist you. Please give your concern, what you are looking for, what you are looking into. Please give your concern, like that. So you might be knowing that there are AI-based bots.
Sir,
Now, yes,
one thing, but the bots can be classified into different types of bots. Like there are internet bots or something like that. There are application bots. So it depends, right?
yeah, absolutely. It totally depends.
Yeah. So every bot isn't AI based,
No, no,
right?
no, no. I am personally talking about examples of AI bot, but not
Okay.
necessary. You can train your bot the way you want also.
Hmm. Got it.
Manually also the bot can be trained. I
Yeah,
made
so
a
because I just asked because if you just take an example of a chatbot, it isn't using any AI library or something like that, right?
yes.
Yeah, that's the reason. Okay, sir, I got confused. Thank you. Got it.
Okay. So the next that we are talking about is who should use Salesforce CRM? The answer is very simple. Everyone who want to deal and who want to help their customer, or they want to manage their customer in a well-to-do order, they can use Salesforce. Salesforce have editions for all the varieties of the user. It can offer for different editions like group, professionals, enterprise, and performance level sales cloud. An organization can select the edition they want and they can do it accordingly. Now, this is the basic and fundamentals of Salesforce. We definitely look forward for it for some queries and some concerns from you so that you can understand Salesforce in much better way.